What room is this shit? 124, no? There you go. 124, and look at all these hood rats. 135, yeah, thick ass bitch. We're gonna chill over here.
La migra.
La migra? Where? Oh shit. Run! Put it away, put it away. Run.
Hey, can I ask you a couple questions? Hey, can I ask you? What are you? Can I ask you what is love?
This is Amundsen Girls Gone Wild. Go ahead, Gerardo. Start it up. Show them how to do it. Give us a little tease.
Too much people around.
No, I got you right here. I'll pay you. Right here.
What's up with that money, bro? I seen them throwing everybody.
I don't know. I found it. I felt like a big man. Look at this.
I seen a 50.
Here. Buy yourself something nice.
No, you forgot to do this, bro. You forgot to do this.
You're tweaking her as hell.
Imagine if that was money for Buddha.
Oh, look, I'm like Fat Joe. Look.
Oh shit.
Hey, pick that shit up.
Who's loitering?
Some pedero.
Hey man, you should have brought that when we was at that daytime, nigga. You would have